Okay, same day. I'm actually shaking. Look. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry for the camera, guys, but oh my god, it's the Lightning McQueen, transforming Lightning McQueen Super Chase. I never thought I'd ever find this. Oh my god, I'm sorry for the shaky camera, but oh my god, right. So yeah, we're in Toy Town. Home of the Golden Lightning McQueen offer. See who else we got. Oh my god, I'm actually shaking. No, I go check. Got Meta, DJ. The updated DJ with the green on him. They got a normal Union Jack remote, not the metallic version, the normal version. I actually can't believe I just found a Super Chase. Oh my god, I've never, and I actually thought I'd ever find that, like, in my entire history of cars. Right, got 2 boosts. We got Shoot to the Rookie, Ryan Inside Lady, Dynaco Cruise, Silver Dynaco Cruise. We got Ernesto, Francesco, and Storm. That's quite a cool one. Where is it? Not that one. This one. Silver Cruise. It's nice. Put that one up top. Right, 2 packs.
Right, if you don't choose something right now.
I've got a vowel. It's a single vowel. We got Bobby and Brick. We got the Next Gens, Rusty and Dusty. Oh, I got that flag. I thought double clutch daily. Okay, well, I'm going to go and be in complete shock over this. I can't actually believe this. This is incredible. And being late to this card collecting and getting back into it over like lockdown, I actually never thought that I'd find this. Oh my god. I'm still shaking. Transforming Lightning McQueen Super Chase. Oh my god. Well, I'm going to go and just stare at this and admire it. I'll see you in the next clip. So, Toy Town has brought out the entire box of Case M. So I thought I'd have a quick little look for it. I know it's very, very old, but the metallic Hall and Gas, definitely. We've got another Transforming McQueen. We've got Wingo. Hydraulic Florida remote. Actually, I picked him up too.
Thank you very much.
What else we got? We've got Ben Jordan.
Right, thank you.
Bumper Save Crew Chief. There's the Silver Cruise. Got Shoes there. We've got Ernesto. We've got Ryan Inside Lady. Normal Cruise DJ. There's Ramon Beta. We've got yeah, what's he called? Francesco DJ. There's Doc, Sheriff, Noah. So definitely these 3, 100%. Very, very tempted for this one too. Very tempted. Yeah, pass on Ben. But yeah, wow, nice. I've never actually looked at a full case before. This is very nice. So yeah, these are some amazing pickups. Absolutely beautiful. I'm very tempted. Very, very tempted. Go on then. And the full case. I like getting a Golden Lightning McQueen with this. Nice. Okay, so it's the 28th of April and I've just had my COVID jab. We're in Asda, in a lift, and I'm going to go get myself a card to say, well done, you've done a good job, you got your COVID jab, congratulations. So we'll take it to the car now and see what's there. We may have to go over to where the cereals are, depending on what they have. But yeah, COVID jabs, all nice and done, double jabs, feels good. Let's go. Case G still. So it looks like we'll have to go to the cereal aisle because I've got all of these. And if I remember correctly, in the cereal aisle, where is this more over here? Oh, hello. Nick Shift. Harumi. We've got news of Sheldon Shifter. Jimmy Cables. Rusty's Lightning. Lizzie. Suki. Another Harumi. They got Meta. And Antonio Excelente. Ooh, I like Nick Shift, like. I was going to get Ruby's Yolks, but I think we're going to get Nick Shift because I honestly wasn't expecting this. I finally got into something other than case G, and this looks like case J, I believe. It could be case, I don't know what's over here. It could be case H, I'm not sure though. Yeah, I've got all of these, but I don't have them Ruby Crutchburn yet though. Well, also, well, they have new stuff and they have Nick Shift. I think I'm definitely going to pick this guy up because I'm a huge fan of like the colours of Nick Shift. Like crawling across the floor, that's that. Yeah, no new minis at the minute because they haven't released any new minis. But I like this. Antonio Veloso Excelente, haven't seen him before. Rumi, haven't seen her before. And Nick Shift, haven't seen him before. This is a very good win. And I'm going to still go to the cereal aisle to see what is there, but this is a good win. Cereal aisle. We'll pop Nick up there. Let's have a look. This doesn't look changed at all from the other day. Yesterday, actually, when I was here. I'll put him back in a bit. So yeah, I was originally making Ruby's yolks, but I think I'd rather get Nick Shift. I don't have Ruby or Murray, but to celebrate them getting new stuff in, we'll do this. I'm going to have to check when I get back home, see if this is case. Well, the hay fish is in case H and case J, but yeah, Nick Shift. Very happy. Now this hasn't changed from yesterday. I didn't think it would, honestly. I actually didn't go to the main car section yesterday because when I came yesterday it was literally like about 18 hours since I was last here. I mean, I come to Asda a lot if you can't tell. I can't get this thing in. There you go. Oh god, I'm all falling. Just slot him up there. Yeah, I do come to Asda quite a lot, so yeah, you do see quite a lot from this Asda. It is maybe local Asda. Like a 10-minute drive from my house, but yeah, I'll take Nick. Good result. Okay, it's the 3rd of September and we are in B&M Bargains. Now, I know I don't normally come here, but apparently they have got cars here. And it's not just the XRS stuff, it's like the actual like case stuff as well. Let's have a look. Where are they? Okay, right. We've got the XRS stuff. Drag racers. Oh, okay, this looks like it's it. Yeah, I'm not too bothered about these in all honesty. I've never really been like one kind of like non-current kind of fantasy stuff like the drag races and the mud races and stuff. So yeah, a little bit of a fail here for me today. But there is a Smith, we're literally our team fight, so there's a Smith like just around the corner, so I'm going to have a look there and see if there's anything there. Okay, so here's Smith's selection. Who's that? May happen. We're still looking for the Fillmore. That's what we're still looking for. Colour changing Fillmore. Then eventually colour changing Cruise and Lightning too. But it doesn't look like they've got that case in yet. Just stuff falling everywhere. And in terms of the singles, I don't think they've actually reduced the section. I'm sure you can go like all the way across here, but now it's just this. It still appears to be case F. Maybe case K actually because he's in there. Or maybe even case J. Pegs are packed. Well, some pegs are packed, some pegs are not so much. There's just cutting line around as well, so I guess I'll just put these back up here. Okay, here we go around here. Got Chaco. Who's else? Ramon. I do still have like a lot of the leftover next gens from last year, like Dan and Noah. Okay. We've got that there. Maddie McGeer, Storm, Pat Traxton, Things Fallen. Right, here's that's the fast phone. There's literally stuff falling out. I've got to keep this mess up when I'm finished, but yeah, they're all Dan Garcias. That flew, literally flew. They're exactly the same, the Winner collection. Look up top, I forgot. We've got case J up there. The winter cars. Just put the cases there for the winter cars. Wintertime cruiser assortment. But yeah, we are going to actually go have a look at the Lego stuff, because I believe that some Smiths around the UK are getting the Marvel ones, you know, like White Vision, Wanda, Falcon, Loki, all them. So we're going to go check that out. But first we're going to clean this mess up, and then we'll go check that out. Okay, so here's the Lego mini bags. It doesn't look like there's any in yet. But that's fine, you know, I mean, there's plenty of time to get these. Looking at my main Lego section just in case they're all set. There's the cars again. Yeah, I don't think they'll be here, to be honest with you. Here's the Marvel stuff. Got some good stuff actually. Really nice setup here. Got the Guardian ship down there. That's nice, I like that. So we could just do something like this, but with Vision, because I would buy that. I would buy that with just Vision. But yeah, none of the new things, the new oh my god, what do you call it? The new mystery blind bags. Oh, Wanda, she's part of that set. The final battle. We got a little tiny little Ant-Man. And I have some stuff, the new Shang-Chi from the Legend of the Ten Rings stuff too. So yeah, a bit of a fail here. Not going to get anything, but one day they'll come in. And look, case J's here. The winter cards are still here, so I'll take that. I wonder if we actually have the newest case of minis in as well. Look at that. Alright, okay. Good work, Smiths. Good work. Okay, just the same day, I just came to a stage to try to get some more of these cards. And look, they have them, right. I have 3 left. So we're going to take this first one. How much are these? We can actually say, we'll take one. We'll start off with the one. Let's put a little feel of them. Who do you think this is? Not sure, but look at the Vision, honestly. Look at the packaging. You know what, we'll... taking this one. We'll go for the first one. One that's fell on the floor, we'll go for that one. Pop them back. Cool, I came in to look for cars. There's like nothing to do with cars here. But they have them, so to me that's a very, very good win-win. It's a nice box as well, really nice box. Okay, so we're back home from Sainsbury's now. And what we are doing, well, not here, I'm going to be doing this over my Instagram. So if you're not already following my Instagram, link is in the description down below, please go check it out. Basically, I'll explain properly in the video, but these are exclusive to Sainsbury's. They are Disney, Pixar, Marvel and Star Wars Hero on a Mission. And basically you spend £10 and you get 1 pack with 4 cards in it. But I found out when I went to Sainsbury's just earlier to pick some more stuff up that you can buy them for 50p. So I got £10 worth, which is like 10.50p's. £5 worth, which is 10.50p's. We're looking for Vision and Lightning McQueen. So check that out over my Instagram if you're not already following over there. These will be opened. But what I do want to do here is, now that I'm back home, I do want to open up this Marvel pack. I did record this clip originally when I got back to the car, but I couldn't open it, as you can tell, because you need scissors. Just going to go over the packaging real quick, a little review kind of thing. Got the Lego minifigures, Marvel Studios, 5+, and there are 12 to collect. You have got White Vision and Wanda as the Scarlet Witch for WandaVision. You've got Sylvie and Loki from the Loki series. You've got Bucky and Sam as Captain America from the Falcon and Winter Soldier. And from What If, you've got T'Challa as Star-Lord, Captain Carter. And they're not shown on the front of the packaging, but you can also get Spider-Man Supreme and Zombie Captain America. So I don't know what this code means, to be honest with you. I haven't researched any code and just picked this one up for the first one. So let's open this up and see what we get. Snip. And here we're going to get. Oh, we got Loki. We got Loki. Where's the camera? There it is. Inside the packet, we got Loki, guys. Alright. So we're just going to quickly build this up. I'm so happy with this, right? So we got Loki. We got his little variant jacket there. Got a little TVA belt as well. Then here he is, Mr. Loki. He's got two expressions, annoyed and happy. But we'll have the happy Loki. Who doesn't love a happy Loki? And then you pop him down on there with his little TVA mug. You can give his little TVA mug. And you've got his little frog, Thor, who hasn't actually been like released in the series yet, but I'm going to guess he's coming soon. So he can go there. Because Loki can hold his cup in that hand actually. That'll probably be easier. Yeah, I'm guessing that this frog Thor will come in the second series. And there we go, guys. So there's Loki. Very happy with that one. Very lucky actually on the first one that I got Loki. Awesome, there he is. He has a little thing that it comes with. Ooh, so it tells you how to build them. Right. Okay, so here's the checklist. I can get Monica as well. Get Monica Rambeau with the sword helicopter too. So you got Wanda with the like a powerful flame magic. Got White Vision with what looks like a diagram of the Hex and their house. You got Monica with the sword helicopter. You've got Bucky with Cap, Soldier and a knife. You've got Sam, obviously as Cap, with the with Red Wing there and the shield. We've seen what Loki comes with. Sylvie comes with the alligator and that green sword. Spider-Man Supreme comes with some webs. Zombie Cap comes with a shield. Captain Carter comes with a shield. And what kind of looks like the Tesseract. I know there is more. There's actually 12 in there. Yeah, Star-Lord T'Challa comes with the helmet and the blasters. And then of course you have Gamora, which comes with this double sword thing. So that's very nice. Ironically, it doesn't actually tell you how to build Loki, believe it or not. Because look at some of the other ones that we will be getting. So yeah, keep your eye out on the channel. Definitely, we're going to try and collect some more of these. So I hope you have enjoyed this little hunt. If you have, please sure to like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this. Yeah, check out my Instagram once again if you want to see these cards being opened up. Yeah, just thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next hunt video.